You guys have to see my setup that I have going on right now. Like, you have to see this. I have this here with the picture of her. I'm gonna take it on my phone, Blogception, on my phone, looking at that picture, trying to recreate it against this white wall. Bruh. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. JC from Just Lost JC here. Oh, whatever. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. We have some fun over here. And if you are old, welcome back. You know the handshake. If you subscribe, you'll know the handshake too. I just woke up this morning and I said, what's the point of being me? What is the point of being who I am? Does the world need me? Or does the world need a knockoff version of somebody else? This is just inner monologue, so just bear with me here. By the way, follow me on Instagram. I am going to become Zoe Kravitz. Now, hear me out. Obviously we don't look the same, but I do want to try and recreate a picture that she did. I'm going to put the picture on the screen right now. I have it on my phone. I'm looking at it. So let's just hop right into this. So I already have like basic face makeup on, and that's kind of how I'm going to keep it because her picture, there's not much glam going on here. I do notice that she has a very white or light highlight in terms of like underneath her eyes, very bright in that picture. In terms of the lips, it's a very nude lip. She definitely has a lip on, so that's what I'm going to do on camera. I'm going to create a nudie brown lip. I think the thing that stands out the most in that picture is her lips. So, yeah. Basically trying to create the outline using a brown lip liner and brown lip stain. Now, Zoe Kravitz has naturally, at least what I think is naturally, very like big, kind of pouty looking lips. My lips are already kind of big, so I don't have to overline them, but I think if they were smaller, I would probably overline. I put a bit of a cranberry color or wineberry color in the middle, just a bit of it, and mushed that out because in order to create dimension in the lips and make them appear poutier, I think the middle of her lip looks a bit lighter than the outside. So I'm going to do my own version of that, which is using this kind of color that's similar to my lip color. Next, I'm going to contour my face. Now, looking at her picture, we have different cheekbones. My cheekbone, when I contour up here because mine are higher. Her face is very slim from what I'm seeing in this picture, more narrow than mine, and her cheekbone cut is more down and circular. So I'm going to try and create that gaunt look appearance by creating a curved contour. I've never done this before, so I don't know if this is even going to work, but a curved C contour. And yes, those of you guys that are new here, baby girl barely does or wears makeup, so that's what this is about. I use this pencil to contour, so it's so weird. That's so weird. Okay, we didn't do that. Gonna create like an apple shape. It's like her contour almost comes all the way down to her mouth. It's so interesting. Okay. Yeah. I feel like that's what it's all about. Alright, so I'm just going to blend that out. And hope. And yes, I use my fingers. Come and find me, please. Okay, so I got the contour in. Very interesting, very different for me. And the last thing I noticed is that she has a mole on her chin, or beauty mark, sorry. And I'm going to put that on this side. Okay. So I have some of this hair here. Retrust this hair. Some old hair. I used this when I did my faux locks a long time ago. I wanted to make boho kind of faux locks, so I added some of this hair in. Very curly. This is what I'm going to be trying to use to make the bang. Baby girl. Baby girl. I don't know how this is going to go, but luckily her bang is kind of sparse anyway. Like, it's not a thick bang, it's not doing much. I'm gonna start off with one strand, cut this strand in 4, and get this thing on my head somehow. On my head somehow. Just cutting this in half. I might not have to cut it in 4. I might just be able to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm coming up with this as I do it. I might just wrap it or tie it around this twist, actually. Let's try that. I'm literally gonna tie this like you would like a shoelace. Alright, tying it to the base, let's see, of this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Tie it to the base. I might have to pin it up, but I'm gonna separate the bang a bit. This one too, separate it. Okay. Disregard this side. We're taking the picture more from this side, but this is how the hair is looking. You know, not terrible. Clearly, she ain't got no outfit. But I'm gonna do my own version of that, and I hopefully can edit it in post to make it look more, you know, scandalous, not Scandinavian. This is the outfit that we're gonna go with for now. Now I have to create my space. This picture was kind of taken on a white wall, so I'm gonna use this location here of my house, or of this room. So I'm gonna move this out of the way so that we can get the space prepared to recreate this picture. Baby girl, it's gonna be lit. And then a bit farther down, she has something here that looks like a penguin in that fit picture. I'm sure it's not, but you guys have to see my setup that I have going on right now. Like, you have to see this. I have this here with the picture of her. I'm gonna take it on my phone, Blogception, on my phone, looking at that picture, trying to recreate it against this white wall. Bruh. Let's see. I have to arch my back. You law. This is hard.
No, you look so tense.
No, I'm not tense.
You are tense.
I'm not tense.
There's some elements missing from the picture. Like me not being Zoe Kravitz, but yeah. Guys, this is hard. Okay, so, but I don't think the flash is it. I feel like I look like I'm like, I can't breathe. I might have to back up a bit more. Shoot. Ooh. Dang. Right? I feel like it is. Let me check. I'm sweating. I'm hot. I gotta turn my head a bit more. And I think I'm nailing it. I'm getting a bit more confident in it. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta remember. Tilt my head a bit more. I think. Head down. Handcuff. Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you guys. The lighting isn't the best, but we got some. So I think I'm just going to stick with these, edit it, and then show you guys what it is. I'm gonna say that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching me try to transform into Zoe Kravitz. These are the pictures that I got in the end. This is the original. This is my version. Baby girl, it was a struggle. I understand it might not be what it is, but that's the best I can do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll come up with someone to transform into next with my hair and all the things going on, and come back and recreate another photo. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye. Does the world need me? Or does the world need a knockoff version of somebody else? This is just inner monologue, so just bear with me here. But that's how I woke up feeling. And so I have this new hair. Also, you guys may or may not know, follow me on Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram. That I am an actress. I act. I went to school for acting, or my most recent degree, which is probably one of the reasons why I have a lot of different accents on my channel. If you're not new here, I do a lot of accents on this channel, and that might be one of the reasons, or other reasons. But yeah, so I love transforming. I love creating different characters on stage. So I was like, why don't I bring elements of that to my YouTube channel? So I'm going to be transforming myself today. I am going to become Zoe. Alright, so I'm just going to blend that out and hope And yes, I use my fingers. Come and find me, please.